be taking a closer look at the LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2007 to 2014 Tahoe. If you're looking to upgrade your Tahoe's rear end with a modern, aggressive appearance and enhanced visibility, these LED taillights are an excellent option. These taillights are designed to provide both style and functionality. The black housing and smoked lenses give your Tahoe a slick, custom look that sets you apart from that stock appearance. These taillights utilize ultra-bright LED technology for the parking, brake, and signal functions, ensuring better illumination and quicker response times compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also improves safety by making your vehicle more visible to other drivers out there on the road, especially in those low lighting conditions. These taillights are also SAE and DOT compliant, meeting federal safety standards, which ensures they're street legal in all 50 states. These lights are built tough so that they can withstand the rigors of that daily driving and exposure to the elements. The black housing is made from high-quality ABS plastic, offering resistance to UV rays and impact. The smoked polycarbonate lens not only adds the aesthetic appeal and that clean look, but it also protects the internal LED components from debris and weather conditions, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. Polycarbonate is known to be impact and fade resistant, so they don't fade or crack over time like those stock lights tend to do. As far as pricing goes, these tail lights are coming in right around that $200 price range for the pair, making them an affordable option for those of you looking to upgrade your Tahoe's rear lighting without breaking the bank. Installation is straightforward, so we're rating this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 1 hour of your time. The tail lights are designed as a direct replacement for the factory unit. The plug-and-play design makes it hassle-free and a fairly simple install process. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Tools utilized for this installation: a panel popper tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic trim piece tool. Today we're going to be installing the VinJet CTWJ0066BS tail lights on a 2008 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. A very simple install. There's going to be 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to go ahead and remove those. We'll set those aside to be reused on the new ones. Set this one aside as well. Now it's just as simple as, you'll see that it's nice and loose. It literally just pulls up. Then what we're looking at, you want to go ahead and untwist, pull out, get your light bulbs. There's a little retainer clip right here. Pull up on it and it'll come right out. And we've got a little side marker right here on the side. So we're going to set those to the side. We're going to go ahead and put our stock light up. And here's our replacement light. I personally like to keep the plastic on until I get the install completed, so I don't risk scratching it. We're going to go ahead and take these covers off. And go ahead and start plugging our factory lights right back in. Twist them and run them. I kind of lay these out. This is our reverse light. It's going to be reused, so we're going to get it put back in place. However, this top one needs to plug into here. So we're going to go ahead and remove our old bulb carefully. Set that aside. Don't got any trash that's in there. Go ahead and plug in the new connector. And what we're going to do is feed the wires into the hole so that we can put our factory connector on and lock it into place. Now we're going to do the same thing on this back one. Gently rock them back and forth and they should just come right out just like that. I'm going to go ahead and insert the new one. We're going to go ahead and feed these wires into the hole. Next step's going to be we need to take out these two mounting points, because if you notice, the new light comes with a brand new one. Get your panel profit tool, gently work it out. There's the first one. We're going to get this bottom one. Kind of keep working it, and it'll come out too. Now, I'm going to go ahead and line everything up, all the holes, give it a good hit, bottom, top. You'll see it sit right in. We're going to go ahead and replace our two Phillips head screws. Now, with the help of an assistant, we'll have him go in the vehicle. He's going to press the brake lights, and he's also going to turn on the regular lights so we can verify everything is working. Okay, there's our running lights. There's our brake light. Reverse. So now that we verified that both sides are working, we'll right here it is. Take a look at the finished product. Looks pretty good. Now we just need to move on to the other side.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2007 to 2014 Tahoe. And for all things Tahoe, keep it right here at American Trucks.